It's day 7. How y'all doing? Whale time! Massive underground cave system. Crab submarines. One catch. Crab submarines climbing horizontally. You quickly make a list of horizontal positions of each crab. These are our crabs. You need to find a way to make all their horizontal positions match while requiring them to spend as little fuel as possible. This means crab with horizontal position 16. Crab with horizontal position. Okay. Each change of one step in a horizontal position of a single crab costs 1 fuel. You could choose any horizontal position to align them all up, but the one that costs the least fuel is horizontal position 2. For a total of 37 fuel. It's the cheapest possible outcome. More expensive outcomes include aligning at position 1, position 3, or position 10. Determine horizontal position that the crabs can align to using the least fuel possible. All right, well, obviously the brute force way to do this is, let's grab our crabs. That's going to be data sub 0, split, there are commas, right? Yeah, so split on commas, and select, and parse. Okay. So the brute force way would be, obviously there's no sense moving anybody towards one end or the other, past one end or the other, right? So the low is going to be crabs min, right? And the high is going to be crabs max. And then we're going to say, let's see. Let's say we need a result, right? So our target is going to be we need to know what position. All right, so we'll do low -1, sure, whatever. And then how much is that going to take? So we'll do a long max value, right? And then we'll say for int current is low, current is less than or equal to high, double plus current. All right, so our target starts out as 0L. And then we say for each for crab in crabs, target adds the absolute of crab minus current. And then we say if target, oops, no, this is best. We'll call this best. All right, so if best item 2, oh, you're calling it max value, huh? All right, okay, so position and distance. Okay, so if best distance is greater than target, then we will say best is now current comma target. This is actually fuel, right? Fuel. Okay, well, fuel. So this should then return best fuel. Okay. So 37 is our best fuel, right? Okay, let's go get our puzzle input. It's a lot of numbers. I can see that's going to take a while. Let's see how bad this is. That's not too bad, but if they end up giving us a lot more data or a lot more to do, then that's going to be more challenging. Crabs that seem to your proposed solution, perhaps misunderstood. As it turns out, crab submarine engines don't burn fuel at a constant rate. Instead, the change of one step is 1. Change of 2 steps is 2. Change of 3 steps is 3. Okay, so as each crab moves further, becomes more expensive. So that's a It's not a factorial, but yeah. What is the name of that number? That is n times n plus 1 over 2, I think. Or maybe n times n minus 1 over 2. So 3 would be 6, right? Because you get 1 plus 2 plus 3 would be 6. So 6. So 3 plus 4 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 4 would be 10. 4 and 5 is 20 divided by 2. Yeah, so that's what it is. Okay, so we do the same thing except... all right, we'll put low and high out here. All right, the only difference is here now, it's not crab minus current, it's, we want, this is, whatever, temp, I don't care. So that's temp times temp plus 1 divided by 2. If I go back to my old data, which I should just put up top, like I did yesterday. Okay, so if I now run this for day 2, we get 168. Okay, seems all right. Let's go swap the data. And that looks like a big number. Looks good. Okay. How'd we do on our leaderboard? Okay, a little worse than yesterday. That's fine. People probably readily identified what this problem was going to be. I mean, we took less time than yesterday, but people finished faster than yesterday. Okay, looks like I'm the only one doing it in the small group. And looks like I'm third in the big group again. I was 5th today. I expect probably to be 5th again, although if I keep finishing 3rd, I might bump into 4th soon. That'd be nice. Anyway, that's a pretty easy one. I will clean this up a little bit, obviously, and then push it up, and then I guess I'll see you all tomorrow.